What if I told you the crispiest coconut shrimp doesn't need a deep fryer, just your microwave? Here's the game-changing trick. Start with frozen coconut shrimp. Yes, frozen. Arrange them in a single layer on a microwave-safe rack, not a plate. This lets hot air circulate for even cooking. Microwave on high for 90 seconds, flip, then another 90 seconds. The rack keeps them crispy, not soggy. For extra crunch, finish with a 2-minute broil in the oven. Boom, golden, crunchy coconut shrimp in under 5 minutes. No oil splatters, no mess. Ready to try this hack? Drop a fried shrimp in the comments if you're making it tonight.